the Madras High Court has rejected Vedanta Group's plea for a direction to reopen its copper smelting plant, the Sterlite plant in Tuticorin, shut by the Tamil Nadu government 2 years ago. It's a major setback to the Vedanta Group, which now says it will approach the Supreme Court for an appeal. Trouble began in 2018 after the Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board rejected its plea for consent to operate, citing large-scale environmental violations, and a month later 12 people were shot dead by the police there after they opened fire against anti-Sterlite protesters, following which the Tamil Nadu government gave this shutdown order. And the government has also told the court that the firing incident alone was not the reason for the shutdown, and it summed up saying the violations by the Sterlite plant at Tuticorin would be a threat both to the environment and to the ecology. And all the political parties in Tamil Nadu have welcomed it, including actor-turned politician Kamal Hassan, DMK chief M.K. Stalin. The DMK also wants the Tamil Nadu government to adopt a cabinet resolution and a cabinet decision with the help of the judgment by the Madras High Court, so that the case against Sterlite, in its view, could be further strengthened. And this is what DMK MP Kanimali, who represents the Tuticorin Lok Sabha constituency, had to say.
DMK welcomes it. Our leader M.K. Stalin has also welcomed the verdict, and it is a victory for the people. They've lost lives to get this, and we also are very happy that the court understands the importance of preserving the environment, even if the central government doesn't do it. It's a positive step that the court thinks that we cannot have progress and economic development at the cost of the environment. So it's a very welcome decision.
And what's your party's demand to the state government in Tamil Nadu here?
There should be a policy decision on the part of the government. They should have a cabinet meeting and make a policy decision against opening of Sterlite, and that will strengthen the state government's stand.
Lastly, 13 people lost their lives in Tuticorin protesting against this plan. Do you think this order in one sense brings justice?
So I think this verdict is one form of justice, but then I think we have to go beyond that. How did this shooting happen? Why?
Right.
Nobody has been punished. There's no justice in that. So the government should make sure that there's justice for the families.
Cases pursued.
Yes.